Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effects in Woodoku. If you want to play Woodoku in silence, then you can easily turn off the sound effects in the game. Launch open the Woodoku game on your device first and make sure that your game is fully loaded. Once you're inside the home page, go to the top right section and tap on the gear button. Once you open up the gear button, toggle off the button right next to sound, and once you have this button turned off, you'll not hear any in-game sounds in the game. You can then go ahead and play the game in silence or in public area where you don't want to disturb anyone with your sounds. So that is how you can easily turn off sound effects in Woodoku. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.